Yeah. And now we go through the process of digging out, right? There's a guy photographing the event. There's a guy trying to dig his car out, as you can see. The sirens in the background, emergency vehicles, and some kids having fun out here as they dig out of this big 26-inch snowfall that we had here in Jersey City, New Jersey, right? And there's and as you can see, the street's almost completely blocked, and people are photographing everything here, as you can see. And of course, the church is sounding its church bells, and of course, very little of the roof was compromised by the snow. But as you can see here, right, this is from my condo. As you can see, the porches are all, the terraces are all filled, and these cars, as you can see here, are completely burrowed in here. So there's a guy trying to dig his way out, and of course, in our parking lot, we're having the same situation. People are trying to dig their way out of the storm here, as you can see. Right? And kids are helping them, as you can see the children out there trying to dig, right? And some of the snow plows actually piled this big snow mountain here, right? People are coming across, dig themselves out, but some of these streets are going to be unpassable, as you can see up ahead here. That's Van Winkle Avenue, and that's pretty well covered with snow. I don't think any vehicles can get through over there. Some people, as you can see right here, some people are actually going to try to make it to church, I suppose, right? Those people are going to try to make the Mass in the morning, as you see them crossing over there. And in the foreground, of course, the guy digging himself out. Let's see if they're going to make it to the steps, if the steps are even cleaned off in the front. And of course, right in front here, you can see this van is completely inundated and blocked in. People are walking in the streets, and well, that's what it is here in Jersey City, New Jersey, after a huge 26-inch snowfall that we are not simply used to. Pretty interesting. Okay, I wasn't about to veer out in this stuff. Here's a guy walking up the street, I guess, in the center of the street trying to make it. Here's a vehicle, as you can see, coming along. I don't know how well he'll do here, but I guess and he got one guy coming in and one guy coming out. How are we going to do this? See this here? Let's see what happens here. This is pretty interesting. Quite interesting. Let's see how far this guy gets down there. I guess with some decent snow tires. I don't know if he's going to make it down that way. Yeah. And of course, this is basically for my, I don't know how this is going to happen here either. This is for my comrades in Canada, Elton and Simon and Ben. So let's see if this guy, not too many people are going to try to veer into this heavy unplowed street. So we'll be back to you. Talk to you soon. Signing off, buddy. Let's go for the big dig out, huh? The big dig out.